I'm trying curly hair products so you don't have to. I have the Bounce Brush and Mish's Tropical Gel. The first time I tried the Bounce Brush, I ended up ripping some of my hair out. So this time I'm making sure my hair is really detangled. Mish keeps telling us to use this gel on really wet hair, so I just rinsed my hair in the shower and I did not towel dry whatsoever. I really wanted the Bounce Brush because I see that it makes defined curls, and when it comes to finger coiling, I'm lazy, and I thought this tool would make it super easier for me. There were moments where I had to kind of take more than just one pass with the Bounce Brush, and that's because it got caught. It's like I had to work in smaller sections even after I had detangled my hair with a detangling brush. So I'm not sure if I used too much gel or if it wasn't wet enough. I ended up cleaning the brush of any loose hair and coming back, and then it kind of worked a little bit better. I also got the Length and Locks from Moonlight ringlets. You're supposed to wrap this around your curls to stretch them, but then you're still supposed to be able to, put heat through it as well. This was the shortest version that they had, and my hair was just too short. And it was really difficult to put on. It made the process so much longer. But I ended up going back in and redoing some of those pieces, and here's how my hair looks the day after. But let me know what you think in the comments.